In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Notion account. Let's get started by heading to your browser and going to notion.com. On the homepage, click log in if you're signing in, or launch Notion if you're already logged in on that device. Once your workspace opens, look to the left sidebar and scroll to the bottom. Click settings to open the settings panel. A pop-up tab will appear. At the top left of that panel, click your profile icon to open your account area where the key security options live. The first thing to check is your password. A strong password dramatically reduces the chance of someone getting into your account. If you need to update it, click Change Password. If you've been using a single sign-on and don't have a Notion password yet, you'll see an option called Add Password instead. When you create or change your password, make sure it's at least 15 letters long, or at least 8 characters that include both letters and numbers. Longer is better. Consider using a memorable phrase rather than a single word, and avoid anything that could be guessed from personal details. If you use a password manager, this is a great place to store it securely so you don't have to remember it. Next, let's add an extra layer of protection with two-step verification. In the same account area, click Add Verification Method. Notion will prompt you to enter your current Notion password to confirm it's really you. Type it in and click Continue. You'll now see options for how you want to receive codes. Choose the verification method you prefer. If you select an authenticator app, follow the on-screen steps to link it. Very important, save your recovery code somewhere safe and offline so you can get back into your account if you lose your device. If you prefer to receive codes by text message, select the texting option. You'll be asked to add and verify your phone number, then enter the code sent to your device to confirm. Once that's done, your second layer of security is active. From now on, anytime you sign into Notion on a new device, you'll use your password first and then confirm your identity with the method you set up. With a strong password and two-step verification enabled, your Notion account is significantly more secure. That's it. Quick, clear, and effective. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.